Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan your SuperBox decoder to get free to air the guitar channels on your decoder if you are in Nigeria. So all you got to do when it comes to installing and then scanning to get the guitar channels is to mount your antenna, connect the cable from your antenna onto the SuperBox decoder, and at the back of the SuperBox decoder you have two different ports that will be receiving your signal cable, and that's the LNB port from the satellite dish and the ANT port for the antenna cable or the antenna signal. So insert the cable from your antenna main pole onto the antenna or ANT port at the back of your SuperBox decoder, and the next thing is to mount the antenna at a position whereby you are likely to get a signal, a stable signal, and you pick up your remote, you press on the menu button on your remote. So from the menu here, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. So installation, and then you press OK on it. So for you to proceed or get access to the installation page, you need to confirm with a default password on your decoder if no one have ever changed. So you type on 0000 4 zeros for it to open up, 0000 for it to open up. So here the installation type will be S2 if you have not scanned any channel on your decoder, or you just scan for the satellite channel. So you have this menu or interface on your installation page, and this page or the menu for satellite settings. So this is where you're gonna use it to scan for your satellite FTA channel. You have the antenna satellite list. So you press OK on the installation type, and then you change it to T2. That's the terrestrial second generation. That's where you're gonna use it to set for your guitar or the antenna channels. So here, after selecting it, you have some options down below. We have the auto search, manual search, country list, and then the antenna option over there. So here, all you have to do is to perform an auto search. But with a manual search, if you are to set a particular frequency which you are trying to track for a signal or those particular channels, you come to the manual search. That's where you can add the frequency or set it on the right frequencies to get stable signal on it. So you select the right channel number, and then you come to the frequency. You can edit it by pressing OK on it, and then you change the frequency to the frequency whereby you are trying to track to get signal from the antenna, and you proceed after that, and you can come to the start search to get those particular channels working. But here you are trying to get FTA channels, FTA digital channels in your area in Nigeria from your SuperBox decoder by having a stable signal from the antenna. So any FTA digital channel that is available in Nigeria is supposed to get by stabilizing the antenna at the right place. So you come to the country folder, and then you select the right country folder. Every country folder over here have a pre-installed frequencies which have the various channel number and the frequencies as well. So you can select a channel number that is in a particular country folder, and then you go to the auto search to perform your search. So let's select the France country, and here if you already have some channels on it, you can proceed by deleting it, or you can choose not to delete it as well. So you select it yes or no, and then after selecting the right country folder, here you come to the auto search, and then you proceed with a search. So with the auto search, you are searching the weather to get the channel from your antenna whilst having a stable signal from the antenna. So the number of channels that you're going to get will depend on the quality signal the antenna is getting you and the quality of the antenna as well. So we have different kind of antennas that you can use. If you have a quality antenna and then you place your antenna at a position whereby it's getting you enough of the signal, antenna signal, you're gonna get most of the FTA digital channels in your area. So after performing an auto search and you're unable to get enough of the digital channels in your area in Nigeria, all you got to do is to turn the antenna to face a different direction and then you perform the auto search once again. If you don't get enough channels, you can turn it around, or the channels are not stable, the picture quality is not stable, just adjust the antenna pole a bit just to stabilize the channels and you are good to go. So that's it. If you have watched this video up to this far and you are new to the channel, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, you hit the bell icon, like the video, share on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, any platform, or you have a blog, you can just embed the video in your blogs just to share it for others to know how to scan the other digital channels in Nigeria. So thanks for watching and bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.